Hello and welcome to the myminimaths.co.uk video tutorial, which is going to be looking at the Arithmetic 16 question 19 practice question, which is dividing a decimal number by 10 and 100. So first of all, we're going to be looking at question 19a, which is 0.02, and we're dividing that by 10. Now, because we are dividing by 10, our number will move one space to the right to make it one space smaller. So what we need to do is, if we write out the original value, 0.02, and then we're going to move it one space to the right to make it one space smaller, which is obviously 10 times smaller. So the 2 will move to the thousandths column, and then we fill in the empty spaces with zeros. So the answer to the first question is 0.002. And for the next question, which is 19b, it's asking us for 0.05 divided by 10 again. So again, if we write out the original value, 0.05, and we divide that number by 10, so which means we're moving it one space to the right, and we place our 5 in the new column, in the thousandths column, and then we can fill in the remaining spaces with zeros. So the answer to the second question is 0.005. And on to the next question, question 19c, which is asking us to divide 0.8 by 10. So if we take the original number, 0.8, and we move that 8 one space, which is dividing by 10, into the hundredths column, and then we can fill in those spaces with zeros to give us a final answer of 0.08. It's also worth looking at the original question as 80 pence. When we divide it by 10, it gives us 8 pence. And on to question 19d, which is asking 0.01 divided by 10. So if we write out the original value of 0.01, and then we divide it by 10, so we move our 100th into the thousandths column, and then we fill in our missing spaces, our empty gaps, with zeros to give us a final answer of 0.001. Today I'd like to look at a couple of extra questions, because this time they're going to be dividing by 100. So first one is 19e, which is on the second page. So if we take the question, 0.09 divided by 100, and if I take that original value of 0.09, this time we're going to move it two spaces to the right, because we're dividing by 10, which is the same as dividing by 100. So when we move our 9 into the thousandths and then the 10 thousandths column, and fill in those empty gaps with zeros, we have a missing answer of 0.0009. And on to our final question of today, which is question 19o, which again is dividing by 100. It's 5.3 divided by 100. So if we take our original number, which is 5.3, and then we divide it by 10, again, which is exactly the same as dividing by 100. Our number finishes up in the thousandths column, and don't forget this 5 also needs to follow. And then the empty gaps can be filled with zeros. So we have a final answer of 0.053. Thank you very much for watching today, and I look forward to speaking to you again tomorrow. Take care then. Bye.